In recent decades, there has been a notable rise in conditions such as autism, ADHD, anxiety, asthma, and allergies among children. While genetics and lifestyle choices are contributing factors, clinical research increasingly points towards the central nervous system as significant underlying cause. Let's learn why. This video is for parents who feel dismissed and stuck in an endless cycle of medications, diet changes, and therapies, hoping to address their child's chronic symptoms. In this video, we'll reveal how optimizing vagus nerve function could be the game changer you've been searching for. Discover the best way to stimulate this essential part of the nervous system through neurologically focused chiropractic care to address vagus nerve dysfunction without drugs or surgery. At just 7 years old, Anna was completely stuck in a storm of stress, constantly getting sick, having febrile seizures, cold and exercise-induced asthma, lack of bodily control, poor social and emotional regulation, and sleep challenges. Extreme stress and frustration for any parent who dreams of a healthy life for their kiddos, but is trying to navigate the health world to find the best answers and help for their child's struggles. Mom and Dad said, we wanted to find a route that was more natural and didn't include medications. Everyone was pushing the meds, but they weren't working for him. It was such a guessing game. After feeling exhausted and trying many different options, a holistic doctor recommended Generations Chiropractic. Their biggest goal for Anna coming into care was increasing immunity and more resilience to his environment. Our docs have found that this was his vagus nerve that was the root cause of all of this dysfunction. So what does that mean? The vagus nerve, nicknamed the wandering nerve, is the longest cranial nerve in the body. It originates in the brainstem, which is why it's called cranial, and it extends through the neck, chest, and abdomen, connecting the brain to all of the vital organs like the heart, the lungs, and the digestive system. The vagus nerve, which serves as the primary parasympathetic nerve responsible for regulating essential functions like digestion, breathing, and inflammation, is often susceptible to disruption. Vagus nerve dysfunction can look like digestive problems, as constipation, bloating, reflux. It can look like respiratory issues such as asthma or a chronic cough. It can also be immune dysregulation like allergies, autoimmune disorders, mood imbalances like anxiety and depression, and sensory processing difficulties. This disruption can stem from various sources, including prenatal distress, birth trauma, infections, exposure to toxins, and emotional stress. When these stressors converge, they create what can be described as a perfect storm, potentially leading to dysfunction within the vagus nerve. Initially, the effects may be subtle, but if left unaddressed, they can escalate into more severe developmental, behavioral, and gastrointestinal disorders over time. So how can we support and restore vagus nerve function? Techniques like deep breathing exercises, cold water exposure, and singing or humming can help stimulate the vagus nerve. However, none of these will work well unless we address the underlying cause of the dysfunction first and foremost. That's where neurologically focused chiropractic care comes in. By utilizing advanced diagnostic tools like our neurological insight scans, specifically heart rate variability, our doctors can accurately assess vagal tone and pinpoint areas of interference. Targeted, gentle adjustments to the neurospinal system can then help restore proper nerve communication and balance to the autonomic nervous system. Parents, you don't have to feel powerless when it comes to your child's health challenges. By understanding the critical role of the vagus nerve and seeking out specialized care, you can give your little one the best chance at thriving. At Generations Chiropractic, our team is dedicated to helping children like Anna. We use state-of-the-art diagnostic tools and gentle, non-invasive techniques to support vagus nerve function and restore balance to the nervous system, helping our children be the most adaptable and resilient that they can be. If you're ready to take the first step towards the root cause of your child's chronic health challenges, Click the link in our bio or DM us to learn more about vagus nerve dysfunction, our neurological insight scans, and how we can help.